In this tutorial, I will show you how to clear Epic Games Launcher cache in just few easy steps. So let's start right in. From your desktop, click on Search and type Task Manager and open it. Here, click on Search bar and type Epic. Now select Epic Games Launcher and right click on it. Then click on End Task. Repeat this step for all processes related to Epic Games. Then close it. Now press Windows plus R key from your keyboard and type %local app data%. Then click on OK. Here you have to find Epic Games Launcher and double click on it. Now double click on Save. Here select Web Cache and click on Trash icon. Now minimize it and check have your problem been solved or not. If it's not, then again click on Search and type Task Manager and open it. Now again click on Search bar and type Epic. Now right click on Epic Games Launcher and click on End Task. Repeat this step for processes related to Epic Games. Then close it and go back to File Explorer. Here from address bar click on Epic Games Launcher. Here select Saved Folder and click on Trash icon. Then close it. Open Epic Games Launcher and sign in to your account. So that's how you can clear Epic Games Launcher cache in just few easy steps.